Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I will show you how to make something called princess pasta. Extremely easy to make. Most likely you have all of the ingredients in your kitchen right now. I love making this for and with her. Yes, with her. Because you can even have your toddler help you make this pasta. I hope you enjoy this video as much as we enjoyed making it for you. Okay, so this here's all you're going to need. You're going to need some noodles. I'm just going to use some thin spaghetti. And with that we're going to have a little bit of oil and salt because we're going to add that to a pot in order for the noodles to boil. And then with that we're going to have some Parmesan cheese. And then we also need these. We need two different food colorings. I am using a very bright neon pink and a very bright neon purple. The reason why is because I don't want to add too much food coloring to this dish. I just want to add one drop, and by using very bright colors I know that one drop will give it the color and the brightness that I'm going to need. So that's all you're going to need along with this. It's just an everyday Ziploc bag. Now I just have the noodles in a pot. I'm going to add the oil. This is just everyday vegetable oil, and then I'm going to add a little bit of salt to season and then some water. Then we're just going to bring it to a boil like you would any noodles. Now when it comes to this, I really love to play with it. I love to get like spiral noodles. I like to get shell noodles, mostly spiral noodles, or these spaghetti or angel hair noodles, because she just so happens to like udon, angel hair, ramen. She just loves long noodles, but she does have fun with the little spiral ones too. You can definitely use your imagination, use the favorite type of pastas. I don't use the tomato or spinach puree style pastas simply because it already has color and it's going to kind of get in the way of this princess thing I'm trying to make. You are also going to need some butter, extra virgin olive oil, or margarine. Now if you're going to be using butter, you can either use the salted butter or the non-salted butter. Because I already added salt to the noodles when cooking them, I would prefer the unsalted butter because I wouldn't want it to be too salty. But today I'm going to be using margarine. I have been known to use extra virgin olive oil as well. We're going to be using this to add it to the pasta once it's done. Now this here's where your toddler can help you. I just got a cup and I got the little sandwich Ziploc bag and I put it over. And I'm going to use a little itsy bitsy cup along with the Parmesan cheese. You're going to see her help mommy in a minute so that way she can feel like she's being a part of her treat. Okay, so all I'm going to do now is I'm just going to, oh, she's so used to helping me pour things. We haven't put it yet. We're going to add the Parmesan cheese. Put the cup down. Put the cup down. And then I'm going to add the cheese. You want to help me add the cheese? Okay, now we're going to add as much or as little cheese as you'd like. Now pour the cheese into the cup. Very good. This here makes her feel like she's a part of helping me cook. It helps develop memories. It also helps with motor skills. It helps them with their development in so many different ways. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my neon purple food coloring and I'm going to add one drop into the Ziploc bag. I'm going to zip it up and I'm going to have her shake it. Like I said, I'm just going to be adding one drop. Let's move your hand. Ready? Want to help me? 1, 2, 3. There we go. That was a big one.
Yes,
now she's helping me shake it, and
I'll open it, please.
we're going to open it afterwards. We're going to sprinkle it onto your princess pasta. There we go. So if you can see, the colors really coming together. It took me a little while before I began to record because especially if you're going to have them help you, it's going to take a little while, but that's okay. You can do this while the pasta's boiling so that she feels like, again, she's being a part of helping you. This is helping tremendously with her motor skills, listening skills, seeing if she can follow instructions, cooking skills. This is great. And if you do have a boy and not a girl, it doesn't need to be a princess pasta. You can make it a monster pasta and make the pasta green, and you can make the Parmesan cheese blue, and you can make it really fun. This does not just need to be a princess pasta. There's so many ways to use your imagination on this. Now she is covered in Parmesan cheese, but now what you're going to do is you're going to get a bowl. If you have a decent sized plastic bowl, I highly recommend you use that. And I'm just going to get my neon pink food coloring. I'm going to add 2 drops, 1 or 2 drops to this bowl of pasta. She really wants to help me, so if you want, you can give it to them. Let them squeeze. Let's see. Can I help you?
No, I do. Okay.
And you get a spoon, and then once they add 1 or 2 drops, they're going to mix it. This may be slightly time consuming. There we go. She's doing it. Slightly time consuming, but this is their own pasta. If they make it, it's going to give them a lot of pride. Now mix it.
It's mommy's. No.
There we go.
So
You're doing a very good job. Now this is slightly time consuming because I'm having my 2-year-old do it, but it took her a minute, but she did get a chance to mix it. As you can see, it has a really pretty pink. If you want it a little bit brighter, just add more than what I added with the food coloring, or than what she added. Now after I took the bowl from her, I mixed it a little bit more to give it that kind of a brighter pink color, and I just added the margarine. Again, you could use margarine, butter, you could either use salted or unsalted depending on your preference, or extra virgin olive oil, it doesn't matter. We're just going to add a little bit of this over low medium heat, and I just want to mix it, and I'm not going to add any salt or any other seasonings to it because I already added salt when making the pasta, and I feel that already with that it already has a decent amount of flavor. I'm just going to mix it. Okay, there we go, just enough for the butter to melt. Now I'm going to plate it. Okay, so here's a princess pasta. I really wish my camera could capture the beauty of this pasta. This pasta is very colorful and very neon pink. I don't know if it's the lighting or what, but it doesn't show just how bright it is because it's actually very bright. And now with that, I'm just going to be adding this. This here is my Parmesan cheese. It was about half a cup that she added, along with an accidental 2 drops of the neon purple. I attempted to just add a little bit with 1 drop. And again, I wish my camera can capture the beauty of this color as well because it's very bright purple. Now I'm just going to add as much or as little as I want, and I'm going to sprinkle it right on top. So there you have it. That there is the princess pasta. I just got this crown because I have a daughter. Most likely if you have a daughter, a little girl, you have 1 or even 5 of these. I just put it on top for presentation, but when I give it to her, I usually just give it to her like that. I don't like to be too intense here. So this here is the princess pasta. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Again, there's so many different ways to play with different colored pasta. I made her the rainbow pasta, and I call it her unicorn pasta. We play a lot with that. I was going to make a video on how to make it, but there are countless videos out there to show you how to do it. So if you did enjoy this video, if you did make it for your little princess, please be sure to write a comment below. If you did enjoy this video, please be sure to like, comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say thank you for watching. Can you take another bite for everybody? Can you blow a kiss? Mwah. Very good. You could even call it magic pasta because when she blended it together, it turned purple because of the food coloring in the Parmesan cheese. So you don't even need to call it a princess pasta. You could call it a magic pasta and make the Parmesan cheese a different color as the noodles, and when mixed together, it makes a different color. She thought that was really cool. I wish I could have recorded her earlier because she got really excited. Can you smile?